Have you ever tried making fish curry like this way? I'm sure this fish curry loaded with flavor is going to rock your boat. Let's get started. This is a barramundi fish around 1.5 kg. Cut this into small pieces, which I couldn't do, so I asked my husband to do. I always like to marinate the fish because it brings out the flavor, and for that I am adding turmeric 1 tablespoon, red chilli powder 2 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and salt. Give it a quick soft mix. These slices I am going to roast before we put it into our curry. Here I am using a mustard oil. This gives our ultimate flavor to the curry. This is my secret way of making a delicious fish curry. Marinating the fish helps to lock in all the flavor into the fish. Meanwhile, let's prepare the paste for the curry. This is mustard seed, 4 tablespoons, which I soaked for half an hour. Drain the water and use soaked mustard seed. Ginger garlic, 2 tablespoons. Instead, you can use whole ginger and garlic to grind it together. Green chilli, 2 to 3 pieces. Little water and make a fine paste. Gently flip and roast the fish on both sides until they turn crispy. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan, and once hot, add bay leaves, dry red chilli 2 to 3. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute this until they turn little brown. Now it's time to add mustard curry paste and add turmeric 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, coriander and cumin powder 1 tablespoon, salt to taste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And then add 3 to 4 chopped tomatoes. Saute this till the tomato turns soft and oil begins to separate. At this stage, add hot water to the curry to maintain color and flavor. Here adding Kashmiri red chilli powder, which gives nice color to the curry. Give it a quick mix and allow it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add the king of the curry, roasted barramundi fish. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and stir gently. Allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. You can see the texture and feel the richness of this fish curry. It's simply amazing. I can't wait to enjoy this delicious fish curry. It goes so well with rice. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.